This is the day Matthew's coming at the night and it's raining like it's getting stuck. It's really blocked it, it's raining if you can see it, but it's raining back. I literally have to wear it today. This is what I'm wearing today. Green jacket, no. The shirt I'm wearing, I'm actually wearing. That shirt actually, some skinny jeans. I'll still look cute in any shape of one. Haha. That's a hack for me. And what they're doing is I'm sticking a stand that it's just literally sitting there for no reason. And you know, everybody is getting ready for Matthew, Florida. If you live in Florida, you know. And Matthew's coming, and behind Matthew is Nicole. Boom shakalaka up Nicole is right behind Matthew. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, the weather. If you have seen Nicole is just a little tornado. And I just like seeing this. It's like a pyramid for me. Pyramid, no. That's it for me. I'm just going to step on this and make something different. Well, since I have like rain boots on, this stuff for me. I'm feeling the wetness. You guys are getting it. I can't wait. It's on my camera and I can't afford it. Say hey, Kevin. Say hi to YouTube. That's what's up, Kevin. Not hi. Use manners. Get this. Oh, look who it is! And my boyfriend, the Scottish Juice, who did not help the whole entire time. Ow! Don't pull my hair! Oh my god, I got... Just Timo sauce. I'm stepping on Sam while you guys are working. Yeah, stop right there, guys. I like digging my feet in there. Like digging there. And my feet don't get no sand. Here we go. As long as I got my suit inside, I'm gonna be. Sorry if you can't see me that well. Oh, Barney! Please don't poop on me. Better not poop on me. I'm a okay, never mind. Nobody do that at home, please. So let me go to it. And it's so hot. I don't know what. It's winter. It's supposed to be winter, but it's... You want to know what day is it? Who wants to know what day is it? It's October. This is not fall. This is nothing. It's a tornado season. Oh no, hurricane season. Because Matthew's not a tornado. Matthew's a hurricane. Well, at least he's not Charlie. Charlie was bad. It was in 2004. I was born in 2005. And my birthday is literally not on a tornado day. On a hurricane season. So I'm glad for my day. No flex. Zone. No play. Zone. They know about us. They know about us.
You hold, que para mí van a ser jóvenes todos.
Va Lucifer.
Yo la cojo ahora. Ven,
You wanna stop on the way up and get it?
Yo la me paro ahí en Walmart.
Oh yeah, Iván es que va a manejar esto.
¿Qué pasó? No, la suficiente. Dale, va. Desamárrala. Es que, ¿cómo te digo? Como es.
Como tú lo querías jalar duro.
Tú lo tienes ahí, lo que vamos a hacer, tú la dejas y le vamos a dar ahora, tú verás. No, tienes que amarrarlo a una más. A la otra para allá.
Tú querías jalar duro.
Ivan. Ivan. Stop it, Ivan.
Start it again. Can we finish this? Can we just finish this?
Stop it again.
Doing this a couple of seconds ago, and we are. You're not gonna win. You're not gonna win. You surrender?
Yes, I'm sorry. Ow. I'm just gonna step on my pants.
The stereo of the finger.
Genesis, mira.
Papi, ¿cuánto costó uno?
I know.
Mentira, tú no dices nada. Mentira, Iván, tú no dices nada.
No, porque ya hemos gastado más.
I'm mad at you. You're the one that went to the gym.
Que yo digo.
Mira, ve acá, ve acá. Ve acá lo que te voy a decir. Mira. Cuando te pongas chismosa conmigo.
Papi, yo sí no me voy a dejar.
Ya hace 3 años.
Mira.
Man, it's so satisfying. Well, those are just like... This is powder sand. And this is water sand. Like sand from... Para! Dios mío! Stop! Stop it! Stop! Mami!
Take your phone away, your computer, everything away. No Netflix for you.
Ow!
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. You been loved. You are sure.
My blood is going to
Ahí sí.
Oh, my
Oye,
blood.
me ha perdido la punta
My
igual.
blood.
¿De verdad? Punta ahí abajo.
Oh my god, my blood.
¿Dónde está mami? Mami,
Después de que esa patilla ya se te perdió.
Oye, tú sabes que yo me olvidé la patilla de esta
Oh, it's so hot.
Oye,
It's so hot.
tú le dices a mami que te perdió la punta. Y yo otra vez, otra vez.
I need to cool down. Yummy. A piece of chicken. You know where I'm going to get a drink on? By my mansion. If you don't know, my sweater has a secret pocket. And you want to know where's that secret pocket? The secret pocket's on this side. See? Secret pocket. Secret pocket. And I'm what? 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 My secret pocket don't have my thingamajiggy in there. Uh-oh. No. Please, no. No, my God. Yeah, my gum. Sorry. There's somebody on the motor, and I can't talk to you guys. But I have to talk to you guys loud. Loud, 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 loud. Loud, 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 loud than anything else. And my voice goes super high that you can. So you better watch your mouth.
están hablando puertorriqueño, espérate.
Name is Genesis. I'm on YouTube. I think I'm no, but I look so small.
It's about the party,
I got 12 brothers, and they're older than me. And I have 2 that is younger than me. And I only got 5 sisters. I only got 5 sisters. Oh. Yeah.
Tío, jode contigo. Tampoco el pelado, hoy no están jodiendo yo con nadie. La punto
No. No.
Hola, Josy, coño, estaba
Well-
bien, mira,
Ay, no me sobe, me como una galleta.
Poke. See? Only Kevin don't play around.
¿Tú sabes quién
Kevin
así
don't play
nunca
around.
tuviera problemas? Te lo estoy diciendo. Por eso es que la gorda del...
Poke. That's what you get for killing me.
Cada vez que yo voy, Ivan, estoy encojonado con él. Estoy encojonado.
Yo le pregunto por qué no me quieren decir.
Siempre me menciona Iván. Siempre.
Mira, papá. Llama a tu mamá, llama a María, Alín.
Okay.